How to fix Lyft app not working. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Lyft app not working. If your Lyft app isn't working, then there are some steps you can take to troubleshoot the issue. First of all, you need to ensure you have stable internet connection, whether through Wi-Fi or mobile data. Also, you can turn on and off airplane mode on your device. Next is, you need to close the app completely, then again reopen it. After that, check if the issue still persists. After doing that, you will also need to go to your Play Store to check for the update of this application. For that, you need to open your Play Store of your device, and in the search bar, you need to type Lyft. And now once you search for it, here you will find the search results below. Find the authentic Lyft application. And at the right side, if you found update button, go ahead and tap on the update button to update your application. If you find open button instead of update, then that means your app is already up to date. If your application is also already up to date and you are still facing this issue, then you might need to restart your device. Sometimes a simple restart of a device can resolve app issues. Also, if you are using an Android device, you need to go and clear the cache of this application. For that, you need to open your device settings, and in the settings page, you need to find applications option. Once you find it, tap on it, and under it, you need to tap on app manager. The exact steps may be different depending on the model of your Android. If you are facing any trouble to find the option, then you may also use the search bar presented in that page, and there you can search for the application option. After doing that, you will reach to this page where you will find all the application installed on your device. Here you need to find Lyft application. Once you find the Lyft application, tap on it to open it. And inside it, you will need to tap on this internal storage. Once you tap on it, now you will reach to this storage page. Here you will find clear cache option. Go ahead and tap on this clear cache and the cache will be cleared. Also, you can tap on this clear data option right here to clear all the data. But note that once you clear the data, you might need to relog into your account. All the data and credentials will be removed. If you are okay with that, tap on this OK button at the bottom to clear the data. Now after doing this, go and check your application if it is working or not. If still there is issue, then you might need to uninstall the app and then again reinstall it to your device. For that, open your Play Store of your device and in the search bar you need to type Lyft and search for it. Once you find it, again tap on this application to open it and here you will find uninstall button. Go ahead and tap on this uninstall button and once it uninstalls from your device, again tap on the install button to reinstall it on your device. After doing this, you should be able to resolve most issues with Lyft application. So by following these steps, you should be able to fix Lyft app not working issue. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.